In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. When you're ready, you need to hold your app and click on this icon in the middle of those two rectangles and a gear one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this window. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it as well. If you want to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button and swipe this tiny window to the side. Then access it by clicking on the bubble and then tiny window. If you want to use your app in full screen view, hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. When you see this white area, let go. You can also close your app by holding the same line and dragging it all the way to the top. If you wish to, you can always click on those three dots at the top and operate all of those options however you want to. You can also close your app this way by clicking on X icon on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!